Out here, when chaos hits and the odds turn against you, there's no room for hesitation. Every move, every tool, every second counts. In this lineup of 30 ultimate survival gear and gadgets for your bug-out bag, we're showcasing tools engineered to keep you alive, mobile, and ready for anything when the world goes off the rails. From rugged tactical tools to versatile survival gadgets, plus one ultimate gadget that outperforms them all. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Granite Gear Day Pack. Built for endurance and survival, the Granite Gear Dagger Backpack is a 22-liter tactical pack designed to handle any mission. Featuring a zippered main compartment, hydration port, and multiple stretch pockets, it keeps your essentials secure and within reach. The dual-density back panel, hip-hugging waist belt, and arched compression system ensure balanced weight distribution, making it the ultimate companion for off-grid treks, survival runs, or bug-out scenarios. Number 19. Metmo Pocket Driver. When every second counts, a compact multi-tool like this can be your ultimate lifesaver. Acting as both a screwdriver and a fidget-friendly torque tool, it's built for precision and endurance, handling everything from gear repairs to quick fixes in the field. With ergonomic grip, forward-reverse control, and dual-bit storage, it's a rugged, battery-free essential for any survival or bug-out kit. Number 18. Tactical Camp Kitchen Kit. In high-stakes survival situations, staying organized is essential. Built from tough woven cotton, this compact utensil kit keeps your cooking tools protected, secure, and ready for action. Folded, the pouch fits comfortably into travel luggage, trunk, or can be handheld for ultimate portability. Weather-resistant and travel-friendly, it unfolds into a full tactical kitchen setup, perfect for camps, emergency shelters, or bug-out operations where durability and readiness matter most. Number 17. Arcturus Insulated Tarp. Be ready for anything with a heavy-duty survival blanket built to handle the wild. Its dual design features a mylar reflective side to trap heat or signal for rescue, and a polypropylene layer that's waterproof and durable enough to use as a tarp or shelter. Weighing just 1.4 pounds with reinforced tie-down grommets and a compact carry bag, it's the ultimate all-weather essential for your bug-out arsenal. Number 16. Emergency Survival Kit. Being prepared is your only hope in the event of an unexpected disaster. This 72-hour survival kit is packed with essential food rations, water pouches, first aid, lighting, shelter gear, and a NOAA weather radio for real-time alerts. Built into a heavy-duty, water-resistant tactical backpack with multiple compartments, it's engineered for durability, visibility, and readiness. Perfect for any doomsday scenario or emergency evacuation. Number 15. Oxido Tire Inflator. In critical moments when every second matters, power and precision can save the day. The Oxido Tire Inflator delivers up to 150 psi, restoring pressure in under a minute and automatically shutting off when your target is reached. Its dual-screen display ensures pinpoint accuracy, while the built-in LED flashlight and USB power port make it a multifunctional lifesaver for roadside breakdowns or doomsday survival situations. Number 14. Survival Toiletry Pack. In a world where survival means staying sharp and ready, hygiene can't be ignored. The Survival Toiletry Pack equips you with 20 compact hygiene kits, each packed with a toothbrush, razor, soap, shampoo, and more. Lightweight, sealed, and easy to carry, it's a must for bug-out bags or crisis kits, keeping you clean, confident, and prepared when it matters most. Number 13. Fixed Blade Hunting Knife. When the wild demands reliability, your blade should never fail you. Forged from 420 HC stainless steel, it offers superior sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The genuine leather handle provides a firm, ergonomic grip, while the hand-hammered finish enhances its rugged charm. Paired with a premium leather sheath and belt loop, it's a must-have for hunters, campers, and survivalists alike. Number 12. Portable flask bottle. Elevate your outdoor adventures with a portable, durable titanium hip flask built for survival and convenience. Made from premium titanium, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and ensures safe drinking. Its watertight seal prevents leaks, while the sleek design offers style and ruggedness in one. Perfect for carrying emergency liquids or a sip of warmth on the go, it's compact, customizable, and a reliable companion for any bug-out bag or wilderness expedition. Number 11. The Muncher. Meet the Muncher Titanium. Multi-utensil by Full Windsor. A 0.7-ounce powerhouse forged from 100% aviation-grade titanium. With 10 survival-ready functions, including a spork, serrated knife, and can opener, it's built for any mission. Corrosion-proof, zero waste, and ultra-compact, it comes with a Hippolon sheath and carabiner, keeping your ultimate adventure utensil always within reach. Number 10. Lexivon Splitting Axe. Built for true survivors, this heavy-duty camp hatchet is engineered with a forged Grade A carbon steel blade and a wedge-shaped profile for one-strike wood splits. Its fiberglass-reinforced handle absorbs shock, resists weather, and delivers a balanced, powerful swing. Designed for durability and precision in any terrain, it includes a protective sheath for safe carrying, your ultimate ally for chopping, camping, and off-grid survival. Number 9. Collapsible water filter bottle. When you're deep in the wild, clean water can mean the difference between pushing forward or falling behind. This ultralight 2.3-ounce purifier packs Swiss precision with a 0.1 micron microfilter that removes 99.9999% of bacteria and protozoa. Its flexible Hydropack flask collapses for easy storage, while the Stay Clean nozzle keeps debris out. Delivers up to 2 liters per minute. No tools, no back flushing, just pure hydration on demand. Number 8. OCOOPA Magnetic Hand Warmer. When the cold hits hard, staying warm isn't just comfort, it's survival. These compact magnetic hand warmers heat up in just 5 seconds and offer 3 adjustable levels up to 126 degrees Fahrenheit. Snap them together for double-sided warmth or split them for both hands. Lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, and UL certified for safety, they're the perfect pocket-sized lifesavers for winter missions, camping trips, or bug-out scenarios. Number 7. Topeak Bar Loader. When the trail gets rough and the weather turns wild, the Topeak Bar Loader keeps your essentials dry and secure. Built for survival and adventure, it features welded seams, a roll-top closure, and watertight zippers that lock out rain, dust, and debris. With a detachable inner pouch, quick mount system, and shoulder strap for easy carry, it's the ultimate waterproof storage companion for any off-grid journey. Number 6. Log Axe Forestry Multi-Tool. Built for serious survivalists and outdoor operators, the Log Axe 3-in-1 Forestry Multi-Tool combines raw strength with tactical efficiency. Forged from American steel, it merges a 21-inch hauler, 40-inch cant hook, and timberjack into one powerhouse tool, lifting, cutting, and rolling logs effortlessly. Engineered to reduce fatigue and boost performance, it's a must-have for anyone mastering life beyond the grid. Number 5. Telescopic Camping Light. Light up any mission with a telescopic lantern built for survival. Extending over 42 inches and collapsing down to 12, it adapts to every terrain with 180-degree unfold and 270-degree rotation. Its 12,000mm battery powers 80 hours of light and doubles as a power bank. With RGB modes, SOS signaling, and magnetic hands-free setup, it's your ultimate light source for emergencies, camping, and off-grid adventures. Number 4. Combat Application Tourniquet. In critical emergencies, choose gear trusted by the pros. The combat-grade windlass tourniquet, battlefield-proven and U.S. Army recommended, delivers one-handed application to halt life-threatening limb bleeding fast. Reinforced windlass, stabilization plate, secure clip, and writable time strap ensure dependable performance in any weather. Compact, rugged, and engineered for rapid use, it's an essential casualty care tool for every bug-out bag or emergency medical kit. Number 3. Portable solar water heater. Meet the 4 Patriot Sun Kettle, your solar-powered lifeline for boiling water anywhere under the sun. It harnesses pure sunlight to reach 212 degrees Fahrenheit in about 45 minutes. Perfect for coffee, MRES, or sterilizing water off-grid. Lightweight at just 2.65 pounds and built with shatter-resistant glass, it's a smoke-free, eco-friendly essential for campers, hikers, and survivalists who never settle for unprepared. Number 2. Bite-away heat pen. Relieve pesky insect bites instantly with the Bite-away heat pen, a compact, chemical-free device. It heats up to 124 degrees Fahrenheit to soothe itching, pain, and swelling within minutes without harming the skin. With up to 300 uses per battery, it's safe for children 3+ and expecting mothers under supervision. Fast-acting, portable, and FDA cleared, it provides reliable relief from mosquitoes, wasps, and bees, a must-have for any bug-out bag. Number 1. Schrade SCHBOLO Machete. Dominate the wilderness with the Schrade SCHBOLO Machete, a heavy-duty survival tool built for adventure and emergencies. Featuring a massive 14-inch titanium-coated stainless steel blade with full-tang construction, it delivers unmatched strength for clearing brush, trailblazing, and bushcraft. The ergonomic rubberized handle ensures a secure grip, while the ballistic nylon sheath holds a ferro rod, sharpening stone, and offers versatile carry options, a must-have for any bug-out bag. That's a wrap on the ultimate survival gear and gadgets for your bug-out bag. Equip yourself with these essentials, stay prepared for anything, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge survival gear and gadgets.